approach. This is it. Ness Point. Most easterly point on the mainland UK. So for me, this ticks off the third of the 4 points of the compass. I've done the southerly one, Lizard Point, done the northerly, done it head, and now I've done Ness Point. So I guess I'll have to do the most westerly at some point, and that's up in Scotland. Absolutely nothing to look at whilst here. Quite funny really. Talk about underwhelming. Brunch in Bungay, and yeah, it is brunch because we wanted something to eat for a little while, and there was just nowhere open, and ended up in the convenience shop with another sandwich. Really, I kind of was looking forward to a bit of a hot meal, but no, there was nowhere open. So anyway, I'll just show you. It's up by the war memorial on the church. Been here about half an hour, I suppose. Anyway. Done 430k now, so I've got 370 to go. Over halfway. Yay. Quite funny. I've noticed as I get tired, I'm less inclined to do videos. just keep pedalling. So yeah, done 60k since Felixstowe, Lowestoft. Just got 1 o'clock. I don't feel 200 miles. Should be alright. Actually. I might be knackered, but I'm absolutely loving this. It's really good. As I left Lowestoft, came across a guy, went for a ride, and he was an Audaxer, and yeah, we rode along together for about 5 or 6 miles, talking about this, that and the other, and it was quite good to have somebody to talk to, you know, for a bit. We never did catch his name. Twice today. When I was in Bundy, I did mention, you know, I've done with a camper. I went down the road 100 yards, there it was. So I'm like, okay. So I just stopped to have a sandwich. Wish there was a shop. I'll come down the road 100 yards, there's a shop. So this time I've actually stopped, I can have something else as well, because I'm feeling quite empty. Start working. He's not happy. Commute sent me down this track and it was alright to begin with. It's like turning to sand, you can't ride on it on a standard road bike. The sinks basically flips you off, so I'll have to walk this little bit. Hopefully the surface changes up there. It's all part of the adventure though. So, to be fair, it would be alright on a plus size mountain bike, you know, with like 3-inch tyres or something, but I know what I've done is on commute I had it set at the touring bike setting, planning the route. Well, I wouldn't ride my touring bike along here either. Yeah, this surface is just like the surface of the moon. There you go, Elon Musk. I've been on the moon before you. my progress today has been a bit pathetic, to be honest, but I'm just had some food, just had a Subway, and yeah, I'm just going to need to crack on really now. No more off-roading, because that really helped me out. Anyway, onwards. The interesting thing I want to show you is the guided busway. Like a train track. I'm not sure you can see that way, to be perfectly honest. The final time, gradually working our way west now. Feels like progress. So I'm just under 600k now, and turning into a bit of an eating competition now, because you know, this deep into a ride, it's trying to get calories in, you know. So I'm just finishing off the Subway I bought earlier. I couldn't manage it all, so I put the rest in the saddlebag, and now finishing it off. I did get some more food for the night period. I think I'm going to put my gloves on actually, because it's quite chilly tonight. It's colder than last night anyway. I'll speak to you in a bit. I'll save you from me shoving it into my chops.